In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to emote in Borderlands 3 on the PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use any emotes that you have on Borderlands 3. Keep in mind that I am recording this video on my PC with an Xbox controller, but I'm still gonna give you instructions towards doing it on a PlayStation 4. All that you have to do is press the pause button, but instead of tapping it like this, you have to press and hold. So hold down the pause button and you will see this wheel. Now, using the joystick at the left, you will be able to choose between any of these emotes that you have equipped. You will be able to change emotes by going over to any of the customization stations and customize your skin or the emotes that you have equipped in there. In here, you will also be able to choose the option to do a duel with any other player, ping, and then go into photo mode. So all that you have to do now is highlight any of these emotes that you want to do, and you will see your character do them. Other players will be able to see the emote as you would expect, and you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. Just hold down the start button, and you will be able to go into any of these options. This is what photo mode looks like. And then you have two more options, which is to ping the map. So you can do a little ping. Maybe you want to notify your friend of a secret door or some loot that dropped, and you can also go into the duel mode if you would like to do PvP. So your friend will be able to go over here and accept the challenge. But because I am on single player, I won't be able to demonstrate this. But regardless, you can do the emotes by holding down the pause button and then choosing any of them here. You will see your character do the emote, and it's overall a very fun thing and one of the little social aspects of Borderlands 3. You will be able to unlock new emotes through various means, usually through drops, and like I said, you can change them by going over to any of the customization stations that you can find scattered all over Pandora. I hope I was able to help you on how to emote in Borderlands 3 PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.